Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel named Control Intelligence. In previous video we have seen what is swapping of two numbers. Guys, in this video I feel that it's a bit necessary to assume, instead of assuming the values, now we have to take the values from user, that is from the one who is using this program. So in previous video I have told that assume A is 10, B is 20. If you have not seen the previous video, by the way I'll provide the link, that is I'll provide the playlist so you can check it. So I think that taking user input is obviously very necessary, and it shows that how dynamic is the programmer. So it's a good programming habit to take the user input. So let's try it. In this video, be with me, we'll learn how to take the input from user. Okay, now let's begin with practical implementation. Okay, now firstly we are going to study how to change the data type of a given variable. Now let's load the PyCharm here. It's loading. Okay, it's loaded completely. Now I have changed the theme. If you have any complaints regarding the theme or visibility, please let me know in the comment section. I'll sort it in next video. For this video, please will use this theme. According to me, it's great theme. Okay, now let's go in project, Python file, right click, new, then Python file. We'll take user input, press enter. No need to provide. Okay, I have one more file named this, so I need to create a new file. Guys, here no need to provide the extension because we are simply using Python file, so .py is not necessary. User input, now it will not provide an error. Okay, it is open now. No need of this video. Open this. Okay, let's begin now. User input. Now let's have a variable named A with value 8.5. Then have the B variable with value 17. Let's say 5 only. Press enter. C is equal to A plus B, and let's print C. Okay, see, enabling prompts makes your work very easier. See, I have not provided brackets here. They are auto run. So Control Shift and F10 for running the program. See, we got the output as 26.0. Guys, if you notice, I have provided the float values. If you want the proof of this, let's check the data type by using inbuilt function, that is type of A, and we have to print it. So we'll use print here. Let's press type of A in print, and then similarly we will print type of B and type of C2. Okay, now let's check B. Okay, and C. Let's now run the program. Shift F10. So see, class float. So we have seen that it includes class float. Now here class is a different thing. I'll explain you in further videos, but focus on the word float. Here type of A, B and C is float. Guys, if you want to change the type of these variables, there is a simple trick, that is inbuilt function. Now we can simply use int of A. Now this will give me the integer value of A. I'll store it in D. Similarly, I'll give now int of B and I'll store it in E. Okay, now let's do one thing. I will print C2 and store it in, no need to store C. Okay, C is our answer. So let's see what is the value of, and we will print the values too, so you will identify the difference between them. So print A, then we'll print B, and let's see, let's wait for the answer now. Double shift opens this search window. Shift F10. Now see, guys, here we have tried to convert 8.5 to D. Okay, here's a small mistake I have done. Printing A will print the same thing. I have to print the D variable, right? Now in this case, printing E is necessary, and the data type printing of D is necessary. Then data type printing of E is necessary. Okay, now we are done. Now let's print. Shift F10. Okay, now see, addition of now 8. See, 8.5 got converted to 8 and class becomes int. So we have changed the class, that is by use of int predefined function. So use of class is simply done by writing the name of the data type which you want to convert, and just in brackets put the name of the variable. You will find the class is changed. Now let's delete everything and let's begin with new. Now we have to mainly focus on user inputs. So for this, Python has a special function, inbuilt function known as input. So if you want to start, see input, and here prompt comes, press enter, give the message here. So enter the number. Okay, and we have to store this in some variable. That means whichever number a user will take, or a user will give, will store it in X, for example, and we'll just try to print X. Okay, print x. Simple. This is very simple function. Shift F10. See, here in output console we have seen enter the number. If I enter 3, press enter. See, we got the output as 3. Now let's try addition. Okay, I'll create one more number. Control copy, control paste. Here use y. Similarly y, and z is equal to x plus y. Okay, and let's print z. Print z. Okay, and now we are ready to go. Shift F10. It's asking for first number. Let's take 3. For second number, let's take 6. See, but 3 plus 6 is not 36. 3 plus 6 is 9, right? Yes, here's comes the problem. These input functions take the input in the form of strings. So to convert this string into integer or desired input, we have to just use our function, input function, that is int function, which will convert this into an integer. So it's very simple. In previous video, I have used directly int function because there was no any task of addition or treating an integer as an integer. There was no such need. So let's now run Shift F10. Okay, let's take first number 4, second number 9. So it will give 13, right? See, we got the right output. Now we have completely studied how to take the user inputs and how to change the data type of the variable. See you in next video. Thank you.